Hello everyone, and welcome to another, video of my table. I was walking through the Walmart the other day, and I saw something that I wanted. Now, I know you're saying to yourself, well, you don't like going to the Walmart. Yeah, I know. I don't like it. I'd much rather buy quality products through a local business if I can. But in this instance, I really couldn't because I needed body wash and something else, and I cannot remember. Fabric paint. Anyways, while walking through the whole place, I saw something a little special. This. A super cash launcher. Cheap for $10. Thought, why not? So I got home and I got to thinking. I want to control this with our lovely little friend here, the ESP8266. And I then spiraled down on a rabbit hole of trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. And originally I thought, well, it's a motor inside of here and don't know how many volts are going through there. And I thought, well, why not use an H-bridge? And then I got to doing some metering, and I'll show you here in a second what that is. Found out this isn't the best way to do it. So, hold on. Had to go get the calculator. So, as you can see here it is. And yes, I already opened it up and pulled these out. These go directly to the motor inside of here. Now, what is the purpose of this? Well, the cannon, which was originally the confetti cannon, is cool and all, but there's a slight problem in the sense of cleaning up. I mean, the video I shot for Freak's birthday, that took an hour to clean up afterwards. Hopefully this will be easier when somebody does biddies. We'll find out. Anyways, it takes 3 AA batteries. And, no polarity protection, trust me, when I got this open, quite literally, it is just batteries to a switch and to a motor. That's it. Plain and simple. Now, see, and then the motor moves, cash flies out. It's cheap Chinesium. What do you expect? It's not the best stuff in the world, but it'll work for our job. Now, why did I say this would be overkill? This right here. This is an H-bridge, one from Drock? Drock. Sure, we'll go with Drock. Well, plain and simple. As we know by our numbers here, we've got 3 AAA batteries. A battery puts out 1.5 volts, and we multiply that by 3, we get a total of 4.5 volts. Now, these guys, lowest level current limit is 7 volts, if I'm not mistaken, on this one. Even though it does say 5 volts here, I believe that's to power whatever device you're talking with off of this. So I said, forget it, it's not worth it. This is just plain overkill. I also have a bigger one for a future project. So I got to thinking again, and, well, what is this? Well, this is just a transistor with some caps, some filtering, and power in, power comes out in a controlled manner. So, went through my box of many things, and yes, I know I'm shooting this in an AVE style, and I did that on purpose because I want to show you what I'm thinking, instead of just doing it. I made this. Simple MOSFET. No, not a MOSFET. This is a transistor? I don't remember. I just know this will work, hopefully. Yeah, and it's not going to overdraw on the current, as we can meter out with this really quick. Let's see here. Volts, amperes. Let's go with, I'm guessing, oh, let's go amps. Let's go 10 amps. This is unmetered. I'm not scared of this getting 2,000 milliamps, huh? Yeah, should be fine. Yeah, if I blow my meter, I blow my meter. Oh, I should probably get alligator clips for this. Hang on. Oh, and 6. All right. Alright, we'll say for the sake of posterity, it's about 2 amps draw. And that's not much, I mean... Oh, there it works! Huh. You can see my flyback dial. Release my finger, there's the 3 and drops. Yeah. Okay, so we know now what to do. I will be back after some code and testing. I'm not going to show you that because it's boring. Anyways, yes. Oop. Pull these out. Save. Hey, nothing's on fire. Okay, and here she is, the prototype. The one, the only, supreme launcher. Oh, that explains a lot. It's okay, it'll work. So, what it is, plain and simple, ESP, MOSFET or transistor, I don't remember which off the top of my head, flyback diode, and code. I'm not going to bore you with the code, it is what it is. In all its glory, this will work perfectly. But you're thinking to yourself, Spirit, you are a melon. You have a 3D printer. Why not custom 3D print the mount for this? Ah, yes, you are right in thinking that, but I'm going to point this out now. You guys out there in Twitch land and YouTube land are very good at breaking the things I build. You know who you are. So, we're going to test this tomorrow, and then we'll revisit, I already have in my head what I think we're going to end up doing, the idea of a mount. Yeah, so I will continue this video now. Josh, normally I'd say feel free to get a song in, but we're getting a little, overdone. So this is what I made. Shit, it worked. What? Yeah, I need to redneck this hardcore. That's frickin' lame.
It's okay, I enjoy watching you, lol.
That's lame as heck. So I hooked this up. You'll see more. No, we're rednecking this. No, screw that noise. Maybe it's a good thing it broke. Yeah, we're rednecking the shit out of that. That motor is getting yanked. And like, I'm big. Look, I was like holding it down for like 2 seconds, and look, it only threw like 4. What the hell? That's it. It's getting rednecked. It's getting a bigger motor, faster
Look, he's
stuff.
bending over.
Hey, down, girl. Yep. I'm rednecking the shit out of that. That ticks me off. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, I have a 12-watt power supply from some Chinese one hung low brand, if you will, hooked up to the ESP8266, which is in our usual spot. Power comes in over here. AC, DC conversion, Magic Pixies turned down, and I ended up having to use an H-bridge. This is the LN... it's an H-bridge, I know what it does. So basically, ESP receives its data, throws it through, enables the motor turns on, motor fires at maximum speed, which is 12 volts. Come to find out this motor works fine at 12 volts. Don't know why they're running it at 5, roughly. Wait. 5? 1 point... Each battery is at 1.5 volts times 3. Alright, 4.5 volts. So, that's fine the way it is. But, this produced some lackluster results as you saw in the clip. So let's feed it 12 instead. So, that's what I did. I cobbled this all together, and yeah, it's overkill for one thing, but right now it'll work okay. Yeah. You guys want to see it in action? Someone else? Oh my god, Bobo, thank you for the biddies. I can't see Please tell me the thing is gonna fire. I wish I was there. I feel the fan. I don't feel the fan. Oh, there it is. Oh, the money works! Oh, it f***ing works! Oh, it works! Yes! It worked! Yes,
You're
yes!
taking Bobo for dinner before me?
No, you're
Rude.
coming too! It worked! It worked! It freaking worked! as you saw, another successful project for the week. I have stuff coming up, and 1 second. And no video for next week. Next week is Christmas here in the United States, and I will be with family. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. No more Cannon videos as of right now. It is too rainy and wet. I have other things to be working on too. I also need to assemble something here in a minute. Need to clean up some wiring back here. What else? That's it, actually. Good luck. Have a happy holidays. And, yeah, stay safe. Don't blow anything up. And if no one's told you today, I'm going to tell you from the bottom of my heart, I love you. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. And without you, I'd be creating random... Well, without you, I'd be doing the same thing, honestly. But at least I got to show someone I actually did it. Yeah.
Stock up on liquor and MREs! Screw the toilet paper! We can use the trees!
Lude lol.
I'm running that down. That was a good limerick. That was a good one. You cannot deny that.